And yes, it's all but official. We're getting to know that Suvendu Adhikari is set to be chosen as the Chief Minister of Bengal. So right now, the latest information that we have, and we can confirm here on Times Now, as BJP top guns gather for the Legislative Party meeting. Suvendu Adhikari is the name. It's all but official. For now, we also have information that there will be no Deputy Chief Minister. And ahead of the grand oath-taking ceremony at Brigade Parade Grounds, the biggest scoop breaking here on Times Now, the BJP putting its faith in Suvendu Adhikari, the giant slayer of the BJP in Bengal elections, who defeated Mamata Banerjee from Bhabanipur with more than 15,000 votes, cutting across straight to the Legislative Party meeting, from where my colleague Pranesh is reporting live. Pranesh, it's over to you.
Saga, thank you. The energy here is symbolic of many things. The massive victory that the BJP has got can be felt here. If you just move your, if I can ask my video journalist to, pan and show you the number of people here. And like I've been saying all this morning, that not just the BJP top leaders, not just the MLAs, but also the rank and file. And that tells you that how happy the cadre is. Talking about the question that you asked, that it is all but final matter of formality before Suvendu Adhikari is declared as the leader of BJP's Legislative Party. And then the swearing in happens tomorrow. Ravikant, our colleague from Times Now, Navbharat, has just confirmed that there will be only Chief Minister, that there won't be any Deputy Chief Ministers. Now, many people have been saying that there could be two Deputy Chief Ministers, and people said that, look, Agnimitra Paul could be one woman face, but this minute we can confirm that there will only be Suvendu as the Chief Minister. What happens later on is, anybody's guess, but